How to recover disabled Facebook account. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to recover disabled Facebook account. Alright, so let's begin. Before we start, it's important to understand why Facebook accounts get disabled. Common reasons include violating Facebook's community standards, using a fake name, impersonating someone, or any other suspicious activity. If your account was disabled by mistake, there's a chance to recover it. So the first thing you need to do is visit the help center. Now open any of the preferred browser that you use and type in disabled Facebook account recovery. After doing so, click on the very first or second link that appears. So I'm going to click the link that was given to me. Here, scroll down and now click on Get Started. Go to the search bar and type for disabled account. Once you type, you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to submit an appeal if you believe your account was unjustly disabled. It's time to submit an appeal. You'll be needing to fill out a form provided by Facebook. If it doesn't provide you the form, then click on No on what is helpful and then click on Other. And now here you can write your appeal. After submitting the form, you will need to wait for Facebook's response. This can take several days, so be patient and check your email regularly. Keep an eye on your email for a response from Facebook. Remember, not all appeals result in a restored account. If your appeal is denied, you may not get another chance to appeal the decision, and that's it. So that's basically how you can recover disabled Facebook account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.